Hello everyone, my name is Harshi and today I am going to talk about singular nouns and plural nouns. Also, I am going to discuss with you the rules to be followed while converting the words into plural. Okay, let's get started. Nouns can be singular or plural. What is singular noun? A noun that names one person, one animal, one thing or one place is called a singular noun. As example, a woman, a cat, a dog, a house. I will show you another example for singular nouns. Now let's see what is plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, thing or place is called a plural noun. As example, students, flowers, houses, dogs. Now let's find out what are the rules to be followed while converting the words into plural. Rule number 1. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. As example, cat we can pluralize by adding s, cats. Dog we can pluralize by adding s, dogs. Flower we can pluralize by adding s, flowers. Likewise, I will show you other examples for that. Rule number 2. Singular nouns that end in s, its, z, ch, sh or ss form the plural by adding es. As example, bus we can pluralize by adding es, buses. Box, boxes. Truss, trusses. Lunch, lunches. Blitz, blitzers. Brush, brushes. I will show you other examples for that. Rule number 3. The plural form of some nouns that end in fo, fee is made by changing the ending to ves. As example, shelf we can pluralize shelves. Loaf, loaves. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. There are certain nouns do not follow this rule. As example, cuff, cuffs. Knock off, knockoffs. Chef, chefs. Believe, believes. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Rule number 4. Nouns that end in o preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding s. As example, radio, radios. Video, videos. Rule number 5. Nouns that end in o preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. As example, potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Domino, dominos. Rule number 6. When the y follows a consonant, change in y to I and add in es. As example, city, cities. Family, families. Party, parties. Country, countries. Rule number 7. When the y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the y and adding s. As example, day, days. Holiday, holidays. Donkey, donkeys. Rule number 8. Change in the spelling of singular noun. As example, child, children. Man, men. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Rule number 9. Some nouns use the same singular and plural form. As example, aircraft, aircraft. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Deer, deer.